Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mansi Chauhan, Consultant Breast Surgeon at CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon. Today we are going to discuss about things you should know before getting a breast cancer surgery done. So there can be different types of breast cancer surgery which would be prescribed to you by your surgeon. It could be a mastectomy, that is complete removal of the breast. It could be breast conservation surgery in which only the tumor is removed and rest of the breast is preserved. It could be combined with some sort of oncoplastic reconstructive procedures as well. Or there could be a mastectomy, that is complete removal of breast along with the immediate reconstruction of whole breast. You should know about all the options available to you and discuss about these options with your surgeons. The other important thing is axillary staging. So what do you understand by that? Any breast cancer surgery is not complete without getting axillary lymph node staging done. These lymph nodes are nothing but armpit lymph nodes and are the first station for cancer of the breast to travel to the body. Hence, these lymph nodes also need to be sampled. Any breast cancer surgery will be incomplete if only the cancer in the lump in the breast is removed and the axillary staging is not performed. Hence, only getting a lumpectomy, that is only removing the breast cancer, is not enough if any axillary staging is not performed. So, very important point is that breast cancer surgery is a very safe surgery. Generally, it is very safe to perform any of the above mentioned procedures, and it is done under general anesthesia. The days of admission in the hospital lies from daycare, that is morning admission and night discharge, to 1 to 2 days of hospital stay. At the discharge, there might be a drain which is like a pipe which is placed inside the tumor bed or the surgical bed to drain the excess of fluid or seroma, and you might be going with the drain from the hospital with the advice to take care and monitor the drain content. Usually this drain can be removed in 5 to 7 days of time. In case of any other queries or further details, you can contact on the given details. Thank you.